Okay, welcome to the streams. Yeah, this one our channel is closing in the next couple of minutes, so chill in the next 1 minute. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna see if we have any high impact news. Just quickly run down. I think based on how yesterday's daily candle closed, based on the weekly time frame, we're definitely gonna be looking for buys. Yeah, looking at the 4 time frame. Let's just clear our charts. Looking at the 4 time frame is a little bit tricky because the previous 4 cannot close below this resistance on the 4 time frame, and we have a clean range coming down to this ball level at 1772. So at the moment we're trading below 1790, which are trading at 1786.38. Not sure if this is a fake out for us to potentially push bullish at this point, because we've already broken the previous 4 candle low, and that could be a fake out for us to continue pushing bullish. This 1 hour candle is closing in the next how many minutes? Couple of seconds. So I'm really looking to anticipate getting a trade over here. I just need a bottom wick and a break above on the. I think I'm potentially gonna get this trade in on the 1 hour time frame. Let's remove. Okay, look to the left. The 1 hour candle has really rejected the support level. We are entering a high volume session, so we can have some volume coming in now. Where is this? Go. I'm actually entering right over here on the break of the previous candle high. I think I'm gonna be managing this trade on the 1 hour time frame. Entered at 1786. 81. 1786 right over here. We're really gonna be targeting the highs at this point. I think I entered a little bit too early. But I think we should be okay.
Where were you on March 9th, 2022, when President Biden signed the death warrant on American freedom? On that day, in a hush ceremony at the White House, without the approval of Congress, the states, or the American people, Biden signed into law Executive Order 14067. Buried in his order are a few paragraphs titled Section 4. The language in Section 4 makes Order 14067 the most treacherous act by a sitting president in the history of our republic, because Section 4 sets the stage for legal government surveillance of all U.S. citizens, total control over your bank accounts and purchases, and the ability to silence all dissenting voices for good. In this new war on freedom, the Dems aren't coming for your guns. No, they're thinking much bigger than that. They're coming for your money, and it's already started. Hi, my name is Jim Rickards. I'm a former advisor to the Pentagon, the White House, Congress, the CIA, and the Department of Defense. I'm also an attorney, investment banker, and author of 7 books on currencies and international economics. When places like Fox, CNBC, or Bloomberg want to know what's about to shake up the global economy, they call me. Most of all, like you, I'm a proud American patriot. The disturbing predictions you're about to see are based on my independent research and my contacts in the intelligence community. I've never made this kind of public announcement before, but it's my duty to pull the alarm. This is what I believe Section 4 of Biden's order means for all Americans. The US dollar will be made obsolete. Soon your cash will be confiscated or will simply be worthless paper. The cash currency we have now will be replaced with a new programmable digital token.
Because this trade was
But the
taken
truth
on the
is, few
first 1
outside
minute
the
of
deep
the
state
hour,
recognize Biden's move for what it
pretty much
really
entered half my
is.
risk. So if
my
it starts
predictions are
flipping
correct,
bullish and
this is
breaking
so
our own
much more
high, then I'm gonna
sinister
get in
than
on that.
simply replacing the cash dollar with a new digitized version. Friend, this new currency will allow for total control
Put
of
my
all
full risk into
American
this
citizens,
trade.
because every digital dollar will be
If you
programmed
continue
by the
bearish, then
government.
that's gonna be a
That
problem.
means they will be able to turn on or turn off your money at will. Not only that, but they'll be able to track and record every purchase you make. This is very different than online banking and has nothing to do with crypto. I'll explain everything in a moment.
You might have seen videos like this before, but here's the big secret. Anyone can make one of these videos in a few minutes. You might think you need a professional animator or to learn some fancy editing program, but that's not the case. In fact, we know you can make a professional video just like this, even if you've never made a single video before. Let's find out how.
Hi, I'm Brett Callen, and in this video, I'm going to show you how anyone can quickly and easily create doodle videos, just like the one you're watching right now, using Doodly, our drag and drop doodle software that allows anyone, regardless of tech skills, to create highly engaging professional doodle videos in a matter of minutes. Because doodle videos are fun and engaging, they can get you more clicks, likes, shares, and most importantly sales than any other type of video. Which is why Doodly is now the video tool of choice for over 150,000 businesses all over the world in virtually every industry and profession that you can imagine. Doodle videos are perfect for marketing, teaching, fundraising, personal use, and even inspiring others. You'll notice that you can choose the style of your video, selecting from whiteboard, blackboard, greenboard, glassboard, and for more advanced users, you can even use a green screen background. In this example, let's create a nice looking whiteboard doodle video. First, I'll add a headline to get people's attention, then center it before adding a character. I like this one. And while I'm at it, I'm going to go ahead and add a prop too. I'll resize everything and voila, we have Steve reading a book on his chair. Doodly allows you to customize your video with real hands, cartoon hands, or none at all, seeing transitions with even camera panning, and our smart erase mode to provide the realistic feel that you're looking for. Plus, you can even record a voiceover directly inside Doodly or add background music by simply choosing from our huge royalty-free music library. The going rate for professional doodle video creation is anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000 to have someone make a video similar to the one that I just showed you. But with Doodly, anyone can create a doodle video regardless of tech skills and experience, meaning you can make dozens of doodle videos without paying ridiculously high fees to professional design firms. If you were to visit the Doodly.com homepage right now, you'd see the regular price for Doodly is an ongoing monthly payment, which adds up to $468 per year. But since you've landed on this promotion page, you can get your copy of Doodly right now for a one-time $67 payment. No monthly fees forever. And you'll even have access to all the free feature updates we offer our Doodly users, which is typically once every week. So to lock in this one-time $67 payment with zero monthly fees forever, go ahead and click or tap on the button next to this video to claim your copy of Doodly today. And we look forward to welcoming you to the Doodly family.
I'll be back, guys. This is my only trade of the day. So I'm gonna be standing for this. Oh, shit. Yeah, in a bit of a drawdown right now, but I'm very confident we can start pushing bullish. This candle can flip bullish. This is gonna be my only trade of the day. I think we start flipping bullish. Can start driving at that point. Like I said, based on how the daily candle closed yesterday, my bias for today is bullish all the way. So I had I had 2 entries during Asian session. Pretty much lost 1% during Asian session. So this is my last entry for the day. Pretty much half my risk at this point. If it starts flipping bullish, I'm gonna add my full risk. Um, happening. There we go, guys. I have my full risk on the table at this point. So, I'm gonna take just tiny profits at 1789 to 100. Jacob, bro, what's up? What's up? Are you still looking for those cells? we are approaching a little bit of a resistance level on the 30-minute time frame. Right over here. Let's copy this. So this is the level that I'm pretty worried about. Should be okay, I guess. Okay, so two things. Currently trading below this resistance area over here on the 30-minute time frame. Right here. So, but looking at the 1 hour, looking at the 1 hour time frame, we have clean traffic going up over here. So I'm really counting on the 1 hour traffic to push price bullish. I'm not really considering this on the 30-minute time frame. This is why I took this trade on the 1 hour time frame. If I have to take the trade on the 30-minute time frame, I have to wait for a candle to close above this resistance area for continuation bullish. But I think the 1 hour is the 1 hour time frame is a pretty strong confirmation time frame. So I'm really counting on this this push here going up to 1789 200. So we'll see how that plays out. If we start breaking our own high on the 30-minute time frame, then I'm gonna move my stops to current 1 hour candle. We've been having some nice bullish volume for the past 3 days going into London Open. So we have 30 minutes until 33 minutes until London Open. So we potentially have some good moves coming in now. Well, we're in a bit of a drawdown right now. Um, there is a minor support level at 1785, 300, 400 area. So, on the 1 hour time frame. So, uh, approaching this high volume session, hopefully the support level holds for us to continue bullish. If we start rejecting this area, then it's gonna be a huge problem. I think this is gonna be my first losing session for the week. Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday. You have to go back and check the streams. I mean, like first losing day for the week or session. I'm not sure if I had like winning. I have to go back and check. But yeah, pretty much about to hit stop loss at this point. Maybe this was a fake out to continue his bearish trend. No, Gamer Zone. Come on, Gamer Zone. Do not enter. Don't enter. Don't enter. I think there's resistance on the 30-minute time frame is pretty much holding at this point. So, uh, yo, stop loss is at a safe spot. 1783.40. 1783. What's the best thing about a losing trade? If I get a losing trade now, pretty much done early. Closing the streams early, so I take the day off work early. this is a high volume session. This support level is meant to break all resistance. All support levels are meant to break. So I think I underestimated the resistance on the 30-minute time frame. Really underestimated it. Resistance at 1787, 170 area. Never underestimate resistance on resistance or support levels on the 30-minute time frame. I'll learn my lesson about that by now. It's a good entry on the 1 hour time frame, but if you close above the resistance area on the 30-minute time frame, that would be more ideal. Otherwise, it is what it is. I'm gonna cry about it. Maybe I should focus on the 1 hour time frame. Gamer Zone. I suggest you go through each and every one of my streams and you see how I analyze my charts on the beginning of the streams. I think the beginning of the streams are the most important time of the streams. That's when you know the how I do the top down analysis, and you could potentially do the same or try to adjust it on your own to see what works for you. Or if you come late on the streams, rewind and watch how I broke down the charts from the higher time frames. Now for this session, I don't have any conditions for sales. To be honest, I really don't have any conditions for sales because I think price is gonna go bullish eventually. You see where the orange lines are? That's where I'm gonna be securing positions along the way. But I'm really looking at to target the highs at this point. Probably a home run or some shit. Hopefully. So we have 12 minutes until this candle closes, and we're currently bearish on the 1 hour candle and the 30-minute candle. And what's happening on the 4 hour candle? The 4 hour candle is flipping bearish again at this point. Yeah, we are trading in this range, in the daily range. So at this point, if we're gonna go for sales, I really don't know where price is gonna go. I mean, looking at the 4 hour time frame, it's very clear that we're gonna drop a little bit further. But we have clean traffic on the 4 hour time frame, but then looking at the 1 hour time frame, kind of messy on the 1 hour time frame. Let's see. We have resistance, another support level at 1782, and then below 1782, then we could potentially have some nice moves coming down to 1774. But to be honest, mate, really looking for buys at this point. I mean, really looking for only taking buys. If price continues breaks low over here, then I really don't have any conditions to sell. So pretty much gonna call it a day. But you know, if price were to trend bullish on the 1 hour time frame, it shouldn't break the previous 1 hour candle's low. And that's why my stop loss is below the previous 1 hour candle. Or if it trends bearish, it shouldn't break the previous 1 hour candle's high. So it should just continue trending bearish. So that's where I decide where my stop losses are. Now people can say, yeah, but we should take trades based on market structure and all that bullshit. But come on, man, this is the 1 hour time frame. If you dropped onto the 5-minute time frame, you will see some sort of market structure on the 5-minute time frame as well. See what I mean? Should create higher highs and higher lows at this point. Um, Is the Sheikah still in the streams or what? Gamer Zone. Gamer Zone. I still on the streams. If you want to enter, if you haven't entered yet, Price is at where I entered. So hint, hint. I'm not telling you to enter, but like hint, hint. Yeah, like I said, as long as Price respects his 1 hour support level, then this trade is still valid. Also respected the 1 hour candle lows. So we have this candle closing in the next 4 minutes. So hopefully we can just drive past 1787. Continue pushing through to 1789 200. Maybe another retest of 1790. Guys, we're so close to getting stopped out, and now we're really pushing. Guys, we could have another opportunity to scale in on the 30-minute time frame. Just saying. See, if it closes bullish above 1787, 170, just say 200. If it closes above 1787, 200, it, we have 1 minute, 1 minute until this candle closes. 1 minute. Ugh. I really don't like being in a trade for this long, to be honest. I've been in this trade for a full hour now. You see what I mean? This is what I mean. Close back in this, close back below resistance at 1787 to 100. Really not comfortable in this trade anymore. Testing, 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 testing. 1, 2, 3. Okay, great. Man, this resistance level on a 30-minute time frame is really, really holding. We are in London Open right now. Straight back into drawdown. All right. What's the forward time frame doing? Okay, I'm getting really uncomfortable now. No volume at all. No volume at all. Today, U.S. Secretary of the Treasury Janet L. Yellen sent a letter to the Commissioner of the Internal Revenue Service, Charles P. Rettig, in support of the much needed funding to the IRS to improve taxpayer service. Modernize outdated technical infrastructure and increase equity in tax system by enforcing the tax laws against those high earners. Oh man, that's not good news, right? Secretary Yellen also affirms the administration commitment to not increase audit rates relative to recent years on Americans making under 400,000 a year, noting that they will actually see a lower likelihood of audit due to improved technology and customer service. Amen. But why tax the rich? I don't know where brother Ronald is. He would know more about this stuff. Okay, gold. Stop pushing bullish now. It's time. We can just pop up to 1789 to 100 in the next couple of minutes. That would be great. Man, I think there's a lot of haters in this industry, to be honest. So many haters in this industry. Uh, so many haters, so many fake gurus, so many people not taking trades live. Okay, what's happening now? Gold is really struggling to push. Is there anything such as a bent up wick on Oh man, I should have gotten stopped out. So I don't so I wouldn't have wasted my time here. This 30 minute resistance is pretty much holding at this point. Let's see. Yeah, this 30 minute cannot close in the next 12 minutes. And I don't know why we're not moving at this point. We don't have any volume right now. London's open. Should be a should be having some sort of volume right now. There was a lot of volume during Asian session. Irish volume pretty much died down. So not sure if we're gonna correct this move during London session or continue this bearish momentum during Asian session. So we have rejected 1800 twice. So not sure if we're gonna go up to retest it the second time. That's why I'm not really trying to hold my trade to run that long. Um, it's gonna secure the majority of my positions at 1789 200. Somewhere at 1792 370. And then I'm gonna let the rest run to see how the daily candle closes. Oh, that's better. That is so much better. Here we go. There we go, guys. There we go. Just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Now we're talking. I was really complaining about this volume, and now it's just coming in right now. Um, really hate it if this is gonna be a liquidity grab towards the upside. Maybe I should reduce my stops a little bit. Yeah, just another previous 1 hour candle close. Not too major. Nothing too major. Man, 1787 200 is a pretty strong resistance level. Shit. Maybe I should have waited for confirmations in a 30-minute time frame. But the 101 candle is pretty much doing what it's supposed to do. I mean, the previous 101 candle never really broke below the previous candle high. Closed slightly bearish, not that bearish. Most likely an indecision candle. We're just struggling to break above at this point, and if this next 30-minute candle closes back in this range, man, that's gonna be a very big problem. Doesn't look too good. Doesn't look good at all.
I'm confused. Internet's gone loose, so time is through. Making of it yours, so I'ma sit and just lay in my bed with the frost in my head, getting stuck to the race with you.
There we go. Just close slightly above it. Slightly above it. That would be great.
I'll be found in the broken, way out in the crowd, feeling open. Find somebody in my life that can make it through. That one's just me times two. That one's just me times two.
So this 30-minute cannot close right at resistance. So if we make a bottom wick, definitely pop at this point.
No feelings I couldn't store it. Ooh, and I swear I proved all the way cause I'm here. Got my drink and trying to get what to do, yeah. I'm about to fake it, yeah, we can work together till we make it. About to take a life like we're running out of patience. My mind's gone out way too far. Yeah, I'm not right, but I'm here. About to fake it, yeah, we can work together till we make it. About to take a life like we're running out of pages. I know that times have been hard, but that's alright, cause we
The crazy loophole where you just do 4 hours of work and it generates a new income stream.
so fragile, like it was built to break off the handle. How'd we get?
When a bass gets moved, couple hits to the face. I know that I need time now, yo, I gotta go and find my way. My name came up a lot, it sounds more when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. Unless you heard it from me, then you ain't heard it from me. Got it from me, all the energy extra. When a bass gets moved.
Man, I really hope this music doesn't have any copyright on it. Pretty sick beat. This is gonna take us to first TP zone. 1789, 200 coming up. Yesterday we were trading above 1790, 1791 area. The price above that level. Today we're trading below 79. This is the beauty of taking gold trades. Like honestly, I can go home and meditate on the price levels, the stops. So like I entered at 1786, 81. Stop loss 20 pips, 25 pips, less than 30 pips. It's all good. anticipating this bullish. Sorry, this daily candle to flip bullish. Really anticipating this daily candle to flip bullish. If it doesn't flip bullish, I'm gonna be pissed. So we're approaching some resistance wick at 1788 on the 4-hour time frame. We had price rejecting from the upside on the today. Yeah, yesterday. Yesterday during London session. And earlier this morning 3 a.m. This year. 1788. So we have rejected this area multiple times on from the upside, so not sure if this is the second rejection over here to continue pressing down. I don't think we have much bullish momentum at this point. So we have this 30-minute candle starting to flip bearish now, which is a problem. Maybe if this 30-minute candle closes back in the range over here, I'm gonna close my entire trade out. Been in this trade for almost 2 hours now. 1 hour 40 minutes. Yeah. If this 30-minute candle closes back in the range, this is what I want to do. That means there is so much bearish volume. There is so much bearish momentum. We really don't have enough buyers to push price to 78.9. That's where we're pretty much struggling at that point. So when this 30-minute close bearish, I'm gonna look to manage risk. Price is really struggling to break above its 30-minute resistance of 1787 to 100. If I get stopped out, honestly, this level is gonna be in my head the whole night. I'm gonna just stick to the 1-on-1 time frame because this 30-minute time frame is giving me so much anxiety. Maybe a retest of 7090 would be much better. 7090? Yeah, 7090 would be ideal. Because ever since we broke below 7090, we haven't really retested the area. Man, it's gonna close in the next 12 minutes, and if we don't hit a break-even point in the next 12 minutes, we're gonna be in this trip for 2 hours now. Okay. Yes, if this if price comes down and breaker won't know, I'm gonna be closing 50% right at this zone. See? Back in the range at this point. Still breaking below the previous 30-minute candle lows. I'm gonna close half my risk at that point. Stick with the 101 time frame. I'm just gonna stick to the 101 time frame because this 30-minute time frame is giving me a little bit of anxiety at this point. Remind me not to switch to the 30-minute time frame. We break our own high in the next 5 minutes, so the next one I cannot break is the high over here. Move stops to break even. Actually, no. No break even until we hit our break even level.
Perfect.
Minute candle is now closing outside of this range. I think we start pushing it. This would be a very good confirmation. Right over here. There we go. See, guys? Actually running at 10 pips right now. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move to break even right away. Been in this trade for too long. I just don't give anything back. One of the reasons I moved to break even too was because this 30-minute cannot close without a wick at the top. So. There's no range for this candle to go up. Now we're coming back into this range over here. Really not comfortable in this trade at this point. Guys, at this point, I could take it out and break even. Pretty much done now. Anyways, I really don't like staying on the charts past this time of the day, so I'm gonna clear the day at this point. We'll be back for the last trading session of the week. Sessions of the week next. Tomorrow during Asian session and London session. So. Cheers, guys. Catch you guys tomorrow.